Hello learners, and welcome to week 7 of U.S. History Foundations to Reconstruction. This week we're working on assignments 1.12 and 1.13, so we're going to talk about the growth of the colonies, and you'll have an essay on the 13 colonies. Okay, so the big concept, I should say, throughout this unit is going to be the growth of the colonies and how it is expanding into the 13 colonies. So here's a short video clip that I sort of like that shows all the different colonies and when they were founded and how they were founded. So it's pretty quick, but it's pretty good.
The U.S. is 50 states strong today, but it began as 13 small colonies. It all started with Virginia, when wealthy London businessmen asked the British king to set up shop in what was known as the New World. 104 British colonists settled at Jamestown, forming the first permanent American colony. Next up, Massachusetts, founded after being established by the Pilgrims, who sailed the Mayflower to Plymouth. 6 years later, New York was pioneered by the Dutch, who called it New Amsterdam. Maryland, which became home to Puritans, Quakers, and Catholics, who didn't always get along, was established in 1634. Maryland was followed by Connecticut, when 100 Puritans left Massachusetts to start a new colony at Hartford. And Rhode Island, which was originally called Red Island by the Dutch. Delaware and New Hampshire, which at various points were part of Maryland and Massachusetts, came next. Virginian colonists established North Carolina 10 years before South Carolina was granted a charter, forming one Carolina colony until 1712. New Jersey was first settled in 1664, though the small future garden state was actually two parts for nearly 40 years. Pennsylvania was granted to William Penn in 1681, in payment for a debt the British king owed Penn's father. That leaves Georgia, which was established as a penal colony for English debtors, and a buffer zone between the British colonies and Florida, which was controlled by the Spanish. Spain held on to Florida until 1821, a full 45 years after the original 13 colonies became the United States of America.
Okay, so hopefully you learned some new facts there from the video on the founding of the colonies. Like I said, that was a quick rundown, but a pretty interesting one on how they all came together. Remember, Google Classroom is very important. Make sure you're doing your lunches each week. Live sessions are posted in there. I do a history live launch each week, so it goes in here if you want to watch them. And remember, the pace chart's in here as well, because I've had a couple learners reach out to me and ask me, and I go over it each week, what's due. But if you ever have any questions, it's in the Google Classroom. It says pace chart, and you can go in and check that out as well. Okay, just a rundown here of the class. We're still in the foundations of the American Republic, and I'll be wrapping that up and moving on to the next unit, development of the constitutional government. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and if not, you have a wonderful week. Thanks. Bye.